Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Removal: disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the two 4.8mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left speaker to the top cover. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the battery and set the left speaker aside. Remove the two 4.8mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery and right speaker to the top cover. Remove the three 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the top cover. While supporting the battery with both hands, lift the battery off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the battery.